How do clocks communicate? Do each exercise below. Find your answer in the answer column, and notice the letter next to it. Look for this letter in the string of letters near the bottom of the page and cross it out each time it appears. When you finish, write the remaining letters in the rectangle at the bottom of the page. So let's look at the skill real quick for multiplying 3-digit numbers. Let me get red. Of course, the 5 is in the ones place, so you should take that 1 5 times all the numbers in the top factor. So 5 times 4 is 20. And there's my 20, 2, 0, 20. You carry the 2. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. And 5 times 7 is 35. Okay? Now, for the next row, you're going to take the 2 times 714. But remember, it's not just 2, it's in the tens place, so the value is worth 20. So it's like you're taking 20 times all the number in the top factor, all the numbers. So you're going to start with a 0, and then you're going to go ahead and multiply that 2 times everything. So 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 7 is 14. Okay? Now it's 3's turn. We're going to take 3 times all the numbers in the top factor. But remember, it's not just a 3. It's in the hundreds place. So it's 300 times all those numbers. So I'm going to start, because there's 2 zeros in 300, I'm going to start with 2 zeros before I begin multiplying. Now 3 times 4 is 12. Carry my 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And 3 times 7 is 21. You have to make sure that your numbers are all lined up pretty nice and neatly, because if they are not lined up nice and neatly, then you might end up adding the wrong numbers. So you need to make sure that the columns are nice and neatly lined up. Yay, here's your test for Monday. Now what happens? You just go ahead and add those columns together, and when you're doing that, you're going to be glad that you kept the numbers all lined up nice and neat, because it makes it easier to add. Okay, there's a 1 that I carried, so it's 4, 9, 10. On 4, it's 12, 3, 2. Okay, so when I multiplied that, that's my answer. Now, did I get it right? Let's see. I'm looking for 232,050. If I don't find it over here, that means I did something wrong. Don't just look for the answer that's close to it, because that could be tricky. So it's this one right here. I found it. What I'm going to do next is go down to the bottom row, and I'm going to mark out the one that was found, which is F. Okay, marked out F. Then come up here, work the next one. You want me to work it with you? If you want me to work it with you, you go ahead and play it. If you think you got it on your own now, you can stop the video and just work it on your own. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 6 is 6. Okay. Now we're taking 30 times those numbers. So let's just start with our 0. And then 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2, 7, 8. 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, and now let's take 700 times that top factor. So I'm going to start with my 2 zeros, because there's 2 zeros in 700. And then 7 times 6 is 63. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 6 is 20. And 7 times 6 is 42, plus 2 is 44. Okay? And then, of course, we add them all together. 9, 9. That's 14, 15, 16, 17. Carry my 1. 9, 5, 4. So I need to find this answer, 459,799. And my answer choice is over here, 459,799. Okay, it's right here. All right. So I'm going to go down to the bottom row of numbers and mark out the letter M. Is there just one M? Looks like it. Oh, no, there's another one. I guess I mark them both out. Is that right? Let me see what it says in the directions. Cross it out each time it appears. Okay? So I probably should go look for other F's. So M and F's. M and F's. M and F's. M, F's. Okay, that's it. All right, so finish this on your own.